Are people generally liable for deficiencies? I think was another question we had. Whether or not a person is liable for a deficiency may depend upon whether they are in a judicial foreclosure state versus a non-judicial foreclosure state. And a judicial foreclosure state, you'll recall, is a state where a bank has to go to a court and get approval by the court before they can go ahead and foreclose. A non-judicial foreclosure state is the exact opposite. The bank does not have to go to the court to get approval to foreclose. Generally speaking, and I say generally, this is not intended as legal advice, but generally speaking, in non-judicial foreclosure states, if the bank forecloses without going to court, they usually cannot chase after a homeowner for the deficiency. Usually. I would not rely on that, though. You need to check every state's laws. In a judicial foreclosure state, however, where the court approves it, if there is a deficiency, the homeowner can be responsible for that amount. So our viewer needs to be aware of whether or not she's going to be responsible for a deficiency. What's important for her to remember is if she's getting approval for a short sale, she wants to be sure that she also gets approval or that she's going to get a release or waiver of any responsibility from any deficiencies.